This is Arvi Ramachandran. I am a technical analyst over at askSlim, and in this video we are going to look at our weekly cycle analysis on Truist Financial. Truist is the merger of two large regional banks, BB&T and SunTrust, and they created the sixth largest bank by assets. So for those who are new to our work, at the bottom we have our cycle brackets, and cycles are really used as a guide. And what we do is we look for lows to form around the troughs of cycles, which means in this period right here. And once we form our lows, we would enter what we would call rising phases, where we would look for rallies on the upside. And you can see how clear these rallies really have been over time in Truist Financial. And in the later stages of cycles, this is where there is the most risk of downside. And what you'll see here in Truist is the really clear downside that we've had in each of these cases, right? So I'll just draw that up for you right here. Now, what we've done is we have overlaid the XLF cycle here in blue, and we have the TFC cycles noted in black. And you'll see that there is clear interplay with both the XLF cycle and the TFC cycle. So if we look at this time period back in August of last year, we had rallied off of the TFC cycle low, and then we had a sell-off down into the XLF cycle low. And then once we had both of them rising here, with the XLF cycle rising as well as the TFC cycle rising, you got a nice move on the upside. So you can see really the importance of keeping track of the index in addition to the stock itself. So where are we now? If we zoom in here, we have just very likely formed our intermediate term low here in Truist Financial. We are basing that on the fact that the XLF just formed its key weekly cycle low, as you can see here. And what we also see here is that our Hull moving average, which is what we use to track the weekly momentum, has also now turned positive. So what this says is if we were to get any move down in the short term here, that would likely get bought and we would see further upside, given the fact that we now have our Truist cycle rising as well as our XLF cycle rising here as well. So overall, we would look for a move up to this intermediate term fib target zone from 44.73 up to 47.39. Now, the other thing I also wanted to note is that we are forming a bullish cycle here, where we have a cycle low that's forming higher than the prior cycle low. So what that says is there are good odds that we make a new swing high in this next cycle. So the prior swing high is at 46.53, so it makes sense to have our overall target zone for this stock up here in this 44.73 to 47.39 level. If you like this video, please go ahead and hit the like button on YouTube. You can also go ahead and sign up for our channel. We do post fresh content basically every single day. And if you're interested in any of our trial offers, go ahead and write to Matt at askSlim.com and he can help you out. Thanks again and have a great day.